going to talk about the Buddha's story. One of the Buddha's story. The name is Buddha. Buddha tracking the leader. Anuruddha was a very good pupil. Anuruddha was a very good pupil, but he was blind. He did not feel sorry for himself, and but for himself, and he was right and keep up with his practice. One day, he felt a hole in his throat. He tried to name it, but found it very difficult. He could not even thread the needle. The Buddha came to his room to thread the needle for him. Who is threading the needle for me? Anuruddha asked. It is the Buddha. The Buddha replied while he was mending the rope. He felt very happy and was moved to tears. History tells us always help those who need it, helping each other.